Merry Christmas from Nana. And to all my subscribers and everyone out there.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say you with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making loaded tater tot cups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are tater tots, non-stick cooking spray. I already pre-cooked my bacon and cut it into pieces. I'm going to need sour cream. I'm using Colby jack cheese, which I'm going to shred. You can use the cheese of your choice. 1 pack of the ranch dip mix, and also scallions. The first thing you want to do is get a muffin tin. Next, we're going to spray the muffin tin with non-stick cooking spray. You can set your oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to take about 4 tater tots and I'm going to place them into our muffin tins. Now you can place them into your 400 degree oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, I'm going to use a clean shot glass. I'm just going to press down in the center of our tater tots. All you want to do is form a cup. I'm going to do that for each of them. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to put them back into our oven for 15 minutes. Now you can shred your cheese. You can also cut your scallions. We're just using the green part. Okay guys, now you want to get a bowl and we're going to put our 16 ounces of sour cream in. Then we're going to add our packet of our ranch dip mix. Now you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, set it to the side. After 15 minutes, now we're going to add our cheese to our tater tots. Now you can place them back into your oven for 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes and the cheese has melted, we're going to let them cool down for a little while. Okay guys, next I'm going to take my bacon and I'm just going to put some onto the cheese. Okay guys, now I have put my ranch dip into a baggie. I'm going to cut off the tip and we're just going to put some over top of our bacon. Now we can add some of our green onion to the top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our loaded tater tot cups. These are great for game day, they're great for the holiday also, a great appetizer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?